The online library Medbox collates trusted information for healthcare workers worldwide. It is free to use and accessible to anyone, anywhere, at any time. In this video, we show you how to quickly search and find relevant information on Medbox. There are two ways to find the information needed. Firstly, you can browse through the various categories, subcategories, and documents. This can help you discover a number of documents that might be of interest. A few of our recommendations and new documents are highlighted at the top of the page for quick access. Secondly, you can use the search function on the top of the page. Let's start by searching for a document. It is possible to just search for the keywords, but if you're looking for a very specific document, there is the option of an advanced search. It offers filter options to search by author, language, publication year, or category. Medbox provides a number of handy features that allow you to structure results and content of each category. You can sort content by publication year, title, or number of views and downloads. Again, our recommendations and latest updates are highlighted in the results list. When you find a document, you can easily see the title, author, source, and also the number of downloads, indicating how popular the document is. Most documents contain a short abstract and relevant keywords to help you discover similar documents. You can preview the document online, download it to your device, or, as a registered user, add it to your own My Medbox library. Some documents, like online training courses, are hosted externally. In this case, you will see the action Open External Link instead of the View and Download buttons. Learn more about Medbox and the different useful features in our other videos. Thanks for watching. Medbox, the Aid Library. Tools to simplify your life.